Here's your local Doppler radar. A hurricane warning, a hurricane wind warning, a hurricane force wind warning, a flash flood warning, a river flood warning, a coastal flood warning, a tornado watch. There is a potential of rip currents at area beaches, and a flood watch has been issued for our area. For the rest of tonight, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms. Low 70. East-northeast winds shifting to west-northwest, increasing to over 100 miles per hour. Wind gusts could reach 150 miles per hour. Total storm accumulations 20 to 30 inches. Higher amounts possible in some storms. Our week ahead. The week ahead.